Hello, Graham Vincent of Graham Vincent Violins. It's autumn, it's getting colder, and I'm certainly going to be starting to have the workshop heater on a bit more over the next few weeks. I'm working on this sort of batch of violins at the moment. For various reasons, it's been ages since I've really got on with any violin work, but they're all at this sort of stage at the moment. All the scrolls are carved and everything. The bodies are all together. The next stage really is to sort out the fingerboards, get them dry, test mounted, and start shaping the necks and what have you. But this is going to be the last batch of violins I make. From that point onwards, when these are done, I'm going to be starting to make violins in what sort of maybe single violins or perhaps maximum of 2 at a time. It's been really useful doing this batch or these batches of violins, but obviously if you're doing 10 of something, it gives you the chance to really get into it, but also it takes 10 times longer than if you're just doing one. And so I think although there are arguments in favour and against, I think it's going to suit me better from this point going forward if I get to finish a violin more regularly, because it's just going to make me feel more cheerful about the whole process. I'm going to be doing regular videos about the progress of these violins, and that's what I wanted to mention. I've got another channel. It's not that I'm some YouTube maniac, but I do have this other channel called A Somerset Violin Maker, and that's more sort of just what I get up to in daily life. It includes violin making, obviously, but also music, motorbikes, just me generally farting about. But what I was thinking, on that channel I will probably do some live streaming from the workshop and some rather more loose form, less edited videos than I will on Graham Vincent Violins. So my plan from this one going forward is there'll be regular updates to A Somerset Violin Maker, and then more lucid, coherent, edited videos which are about something specific will then be put on Graham Vincent Violins. So you can just stick with watching this one, or you can watch both. Take your pick, basically. I'm hoping that both will be interesting. So there we are. Yeah, what else is there to say? It's been a funny couple of years for me. Health-wise, it's been a bit up and down. I'm sure I've mentioned it before. I had a stroke. It's made some things impossible for me to do, but I've been very lucky compared with most people who have strokes. I've got sort of pretty good motor function and everything, so I'm not complaining. But it has obviously held back work, etc. So I'm kind of in a position now where I can crack on again. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So hopefully you'll find what happens over the next few weeks and months interesting, and we'll go from there. Okay, talk to you soon. Cheers. Bye for now.